testing for chikungunya virus, Zika virus. Let's go to the downtown track here on 110th Street. Cathedral Parkway-110th. This is the station north with technically Central Park north. Totally gross. Gross. There's no other word to describe this. Gross. Totally, extremely gross. Well, this will conclude our state of the track at 110th Street.